Hello guys, this is Kaushik. Here we are going to learn the H pattern, right? The H pattern. So for that, what we need, see, actually I have draw something like H pattern over here. Fine. So this is you can see this is 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. For what we need this all actually. Here I like to mention this is a what this is a column, right? Column, col column, and these all are what? These all are row, 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 right? So here's a column and here's a column and here's a row. Understand? So I'd like to go back to the program here, and as you see here, this is the row variable and this is a column variable, and we need two loops, right? One is for row, one is for column. So what exactly happened here, right? What exactly happened here? We have to increase the row as well as we have to increase the what? Column. Understand? This is a row and this is a column. Fine. So here we will see 0 1 2 3 4 3 4, right? As we'll see 0 1 2 6, right? So 6 row we need, and from the 0, and from the 0 we have 4 column. So what it means, coming back to the program, we need 7 as a row, we need 5 as a column, because of, if I count from 1 2 3 4 5, so that's why 5 column is here, and count from 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's why we put 7 in a row of range, right? So the first code of this H pattern, you have to write the what? For loop with a variable. The variable name is row, right? You have to use the member operator, that is in, and you have to use the range function whether, and the 7 is what? The range of the row, right? Okay, fine. So once you done with this for row, then you have to write for column range is 5. Understand? So for this line, what you will get? You will get here these 6 row, right? And for this line of code, you will get you know these columns, right? Okay. Next, go back to the image again. So what we need here, we need star like this way. We need star 0 column of 0 row, or 0 row of 0 column, right? And 0 column of 0 row of 4 column. Understand? We need star, we need this star where? To this area. This area means 0 column and 0 row, right? We need the star 4 column and 0 row, right? Fine. So if we print this star like this way, 0 of 0 and 0 of 4, so we will get the two vertical line, right? So let's make it first. So for that, here we have a what? Here we have a if condition. See, if condition, and the column, which means column is equal 0. Why? Because the column is equal 0. The column should be 0, right? And the column should be 4. The column should be 4. Then column, this column, if this